Morning, everybody. Welcome to 307 Country. Got a little project here today, and I don't know how I'm going to tackle this. It's a bunch of dead branches in this tree, and I need to get them out. It's our rental, and I don't want some of this stuff falling down on somebody, you know, or something. But I wish I had some help. Give me a hand. Holy shit. Look who it is.
The tree fella.
The tree fella. How you doing, brother?
Good, how you doing?
Good, man. So yeah, Chris showed up. We're gonna tackle this thing today. Or in the next hour. Hopefully it won't take too long. So he's gonna give me some tips and pointers on climbing and trimming, and we're gonna get after it. So we'll come back with some footage in the tree.
Throttle.
Yep.
Hey, you didn't turn it off, did you?
Yep. There, right? Because I'm green to here, right? So cut it out there. Okay.
Hey, more help. Oh yeah, this kid looks familiar. Morning.
That's actually the younger one. That's Tegan. Tegan, that's Chris and Missy.
Well, I've seen him before. How you doing, buddy? Good. Nice to meet you. Yeah, you too. You know what you're doing up there?
Nope.
You seem to.
Figuring it out really quick.
I mean, it looks fairly natural up there. Don't forget, on your bottom cuts, even on the small ones, if you just nick it,
Okay.
it'll keep from binding up when the branch comes down.
Right.
Even on the small ones, if you just touch it just for a second and then do your top,
Okay.
it just gives it somewhere to fall.
Right.
What all are you trying to get?
Huh?
What all are you trying to get?
Just the dead stuff. Don't trust that one. Sure.
I was so excited. Easy, Paul. Watch that road. you're going to use that for any leaning or anything, you see how dead that is?
Right.
Just be aware that if some bitch might break off on you.
Right.
And if possible, you could wrap your waist rope around something there, maybe that natural crotch up above you if you got to make it longer. There you go.
Right. I wanted to leave some.
Oh yeah.
Because I want it to try and go that way.
Nice work, dude. That's what made that canopy look so much better, that one branch right there.
Yeah. Damn it. Definitely not a left-hand saw.
It's not right, it's left. Little branch stuck in the tree tray. I'm just going to toss down the ones that are stuck.
What's that? There's one more piece up there of that.
Where you at?
There's a dead one. Yeah. Hung up there.
Where at?
Right on top of the leaves. It's just a dead, yeah. I don't know if I can get out to those.
This one you can probably get from here.
Where should I cut it? I guess right above this branch, huh? It's all dead. I can reach that. What's that?
That was perfect.
What's that?
Don't have to teach this guy saw control. You're getting into some advanced moves there. Behind the back move.
I think that's clip off those dead ones on the way down.
Lower ones right here off the roof.
Sure. Little pruning.
Well, what I do in a lot of trees, a lot of people don't want to. You can thin them.
Right.
Open them up. Like take all the inside branches out. Lets the air through them, and it's less sail.
Right.
Kind of like Bucking does that spiral cut
Right.
on those big trees, and it opens, lets the air through them instead of stopping them and creating so much force.
Right.
Lets the air through.
Can you reach up and break that one off? Or not? Perfect. There's a couple up there that are dead, but
It looks dang good.
Kind of needs to be done on this fence right here.
What?
You did.
That one. The lower one?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll get that one.
That's the only spot I really see.
time. You can reach that one from the ground, huh?
I had a bad habit of doing this. Right. One of the times, same thing, but my bib, my car overalls have the double deal, right? And I did that, and it just same thing, barely caught that outside deal of it. And I was
You know the
like,
best way not to do that?
yeah, don't do that.
Do it once.
That's what I said. Don't do that again. Yeah, that's exactly right. One time, lesson learned.
Yep.
Yep. And then the people I were working for, that I worked for 20 years before I was doing what I'm doing now. The kid I worked with, it was in his 20s, but his brother-in-law was with him, and they were up elk hunting, or they were setting bear bait traps. That's what they were doing, and they were cutting up. You know, they were taking logs and covering the bear bait up, you know, trying to make it hard to get to. And the kid's like 21. He was raised on a farm around saws and stuff. He did that, and he cut into his like. They left the four-wheeler, everything.
Wow.
My buddy had been drinking like a half a case of beer by the time this happened. They'd been up there for about 3 hours, hot, just drinking, half drunk. But he said by the time they got to the hospital, his buddy was white. Like he thought he was his brother-in-law, he thought he was going to die. And then like a month after that, his father-in-law did it to himself. The kids, 2 guys, same family, chainsaw to the leg.
All right, well, we got her done. Got some lessons on tree trimming and made it look better.
Absolutely.
There's a few still left, but some of that stuff is out there ways. There's
Yeah.
no way to get to it without a boom truck or something. Yeah. So, more adventures from Chris and Travis to come.
Hell yeah,
So-
absolutely.
We'll see you guys on the next one. 07 out, man.
Tree fell out.